If you're watching this video, that means you aspire to have a great handwriting. I can assure you, after taking my course, you'll have the best possible handwriting. And of course, you need to practice hard for sure. The fundamental prerequisite skill for any kid is handwriting skill. But kids always focus on the academic subjects without knowing the basics of writing. And handwriting is so much important for students of all ages that they often neglect learning this skill and suffer in written exams. It's often seen students get less marks not because of incorrect answers but because of dirty and illegible writing, which irritates the examiner. In my course, you will learn neat and smart handwriting that will mesmerize your examiners, readers, and audience. This course is for students, business professionals, doctors, teachers, trainers, and self-motivated individuals of all ages looking for personal development, want to have a nice handwriting, and want to write fast at the same time. People with amazing handwriting are often treated as smart individuals in office, in schools, in colleges, in workplace, and in any kind of written jobs. I will cover several styles of writing like this you can see on screen. And you are free to select any style you are comfortable with and incorporate in your own writing. You will learn to write fast and maintain the clarity even during the exams or completing assignments in short time. You know, I'm not here just to display my fancy writing skill, but I'm here to make your handwriting better, and I'll be the happiest teacher if your handwriting becomes better than mine. So why not join my course? Let's write together and make your writing better.